Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can upload multiple photos on a single TikTok video. So there's like a new slideshow feature in TikTok which allows you to add multiple photos in a single video in TikTok pretty easily. Like you don't even have to edit it. TikTok is going to auto edit it and place all of your video in like a timeline, alright? And I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, you open TikTok and then you want to click on the plus button at the bottom side of your screen over here. Once you click on plus, it's going to take you to the upload section. So once you're over here, you can click on upload at the bottom side of your screen. Once you click on upload, it's going to bring you over here. You want to choose the photos which you want to upload. So I'm going to choose like 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to choose these 4 photos. After you choose the photo, at the bottom there's going to be the next button. Click on next. And TikTok is going to process it. So this is basically all of the photo on like a slideshow way, which is uploaded on a TikTok video. I don't even have to do anything. Now I can just click on next. Click on post and this video will be posted. I didn't even have to do anything. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can upload multiple photos on a TikTok video. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. As you guys can see, here's the video. So if I was able to help you guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Peace out.